Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. So in May I joined PaperWrld's community on School. PaperWrld is a stationery online shop, scrapbooking supplies and junk journal supplies and general journaling, scrapbooking, all that sort of stuff. And School then is something kind of like Skillshare. I'd never heard of it before until PaperWrld sent a newsletter out about their community on School. So I decided to join it. There is a fee to join it. It's an annual fee. I think it's like €29 now. I paid 23 to join it for the year. I joined it because I wanted a community of junk journalers who just shared what they were working on and weren't promoting things. They weren't trying to sell things all the time. I know PaperWrld is a shop that is running it, but when you have to pay to join it, I think it discourages people who are trying to make money through it. So that's why I joined it, because I just wanted to chat with people and just share the things that we're working on, see what other people are working on, and get tips and tricks and stuff. I find with a lot of the Facebook communities that it was just people just dumping things that they were trying to sell, and there was no actual interaction happening between members. I've since left Facebook, so if there is a community like that on it, now I can't join it. But anyway, that's why I joined that. And in May they ran a competition to share like a challenge. So they gave a prompt for the month, and then you would share a junk journal spread. So I won the challenge in May. I won a €50 or a $50 voucher for PaperWrld. Actually, let me show you my spread. So I did the spread in this journal, and this is the one that won. So I made this, they just keep sticking over there. So it was to use flowers, to have flowers in your spread. So this is done with wall filler paste and stencil, a technique I do constantly. And I think I actually have a video to edit with this. I'm terrible for editing. I'm always filming and then I never edit the videos, so I'll get around to that. And then I used this photo of my wedding bouquet to make a pocket. So I put some flowers in it in here, and then the back is just another one. So that is the spread I made, and I won a $50 voucher for PaperWrld with that spread, which was very exciting. Like, I would be journaling anyway. It's exciting to win something for it. And then I used the voucher to get these items. So here's the card for the shop, PaperWrld. And so first off, just because of this big thing. So this is a punch to make tags. Haven't tried it yet, it's still sealed. Very excited for this. I love having tags, but I just can't cut them with a curved top on it. It's always uneven. So that's very useful to have. I got this wax for doing wax seals. They have the metal tops for doing this as well, but I didn't need one of them. I just wanted a different color wax. This is one that's like a candle. So you just light the top and let the wax drip down and then blow it out. This was a freebie that they were doing the time that I was ordering these. It's a collection of floral stickers. So it's just a collection of these flower stickers. They're fine, not something that I would have bought myself, but they were free. I might use them in some way at some point. And then I got this craft knife, and it has a few replacement blades. I'm hoping this will make fussy cutting a bit easier. They should probably be inside there. Spare blades, yeah. I got this collection of paper. I am always getting collections of paper. So it's just a collection of stained images. They have like little burn marks on them, and then some PET stickers. Just all things like that. Really happy with these. it's nice to have some ephemera that has a bit of a different effect on it. And I'm not about to start burning paper. I almost set a fire the other day with a popcorn band, so I definitely can't be trusted to safely burn edges onto paper. Next then we have another little collection of paper. It has 30 pieces. Packaged quite nicely, so I got some string as well. And then this is some, whoops, stickers here as well, quite nice. Really happy with these. Nice texture on them. I love texture. So the 30 is obviously including each one of these. They're quite nice as well. They have a really nice texture to the paper. So very happy with that. Then I got this sheet of stickers, which I wouldn't really buy if I didn't have the voucher, because for some reason I think these are always really overpriced. Because there's not that much in it. It's just like 4 sheets of paper with some random sentences and words. They look nice, but I wouldn't have bought them if I was paying for them. I just don't think they're worth it. There was more sheets in it, but no. Then we have 2 collections of paper, lots of texture. I already love it. Look at this. So much texture. Oh, this one is really thick. Love it. Delighted with that. And then I got another one in another color. This one is kind of Christmassy. It's got snowflakes. It's so pretty. Gorgeous. Absolutely love these. So that's everything that I got, and I am very happy with everything that I got. It was great to win a prize in this community, so I will link it down below if you want to check it out. You do have to pay for it. I don't think there's like a coupon code. Sometimes places give you a coupon code or something to invite members. If there is one, I'll link it down below and you can check it out, see if it's any good, if it will suit your interests. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.